Hi guys, it's me Santosh. Welcome to my dance channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you 3 footwork steps which are really cool. Let's get it started. So the very first one, you're gonna turn your body to any other side to make step more easy for you. You're just gonna open both legs at once, okay? And then you see I put my right leg forward. So when I come back, I make my left foot up. So second time, I'm gonna move my left leg forward. So when I come back, I'm gonna do my right foot up. Okay, just watch me again. Right leg forward, come back, left foot up. Left leg forward, come back, right foot up. Okay, got it? So when you're doing this one, when you open your both legs, you're gonna do one leg heel facing down, one leg heel facing up. And when you come back, one foot up. Switch to other leg. One heel down, one heel up. Come back, one foot up. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Open, foot up. Open, foot up. Open, foot up. Open, foot up. I'm gonna do in the front view for you. If you're not clear yet, open, foot up. Open, foot up. Open, foot up. Open, foot up. Other side. 1, 2, 3, go. Open, foot up. Open, foot up. Open, foot up. Open, foot up. Now let's go faster on the 3 sides. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you want back, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's the first move, and the second move also very easy, but you need to practice more. Okay? You're gonna put your feet apart, not really apart, adjust a bit, then tap and twist. You see, I tap on my heel, other leg, tap and twist, tap and twist, tap and twist. So when I tap, I'm on the heel. So when I bring other leg back, I twist, switch, tap and twist, tap and twist, tap and twist, tap and twist. Okay, let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Tap. When you bring other leg back, you're gonna twist. Tap. When you bring other leg back, you're gonna twist. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Tap, twist, tap, twist, tap, twist, tap, twist. Faster. Tap, twist, tap, twist, tap, twist, tap, twist, tap, twist, tap, twist, tap, twist. If you feel okay, you can just bring your hands into your pocket. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me do in the back side for you to make more clear for you. Tap and twist. Tap and twist. Tap and twist. Tap and twist. Tap, twist. Tap, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So the very last move in this video is you're gonna put your feet apart and bring your right leg back, jump on it, kick your left leg up. Bring your left leg back, jump on it, kick your left leg up. Switch. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. You see my body? I'm moving it in. And you can also move your hands a bit forward if you want, just like this. Or you can move your elbows up if you want. Okay? Let's go slowly. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Let's go all 3 moves at once. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like it, do remember to share and subscribe. Do not forget to click on the ring bell. See you in next video. Keep dancing.